Hey guys. I don't know if y'all can hear my Trey songs. Hold on. Okay, so we got finished washing and conditioning. So I'm just gonna let it air dry now. I just take this towel just to get the excess water, basically. That's all. So, let you all look at it. So that's how it looks, wet. Here it is. There we go. It's better. See? So, I'm gonna let it air dry, guys. And y'all see my little bun, just wash it and blow dry it. So I'm gonna let that sit like that and, you know, flat iron it when I'm about to go to work. So I'll just do a quick video, like it probably won't even be a minute, just on the finished look. See? So we'll see how it comes out, guys. It looks pretty wet though. It does really look pretty wet. But I'll come back with the finish. And for my edges, I'll show you all what I use for my edges, and it really slicks it down. So I will come back before I go to work. Alright, till then guys, deuces.